So today I am going to show you guys how to make miso tare, also known as miso seasoning. For this, use a combination of white miso, which is a little bit younger fermentation, and red miso, which fermented more than a year. And the last ingredient is we use something called suyu, spelled S-T-S-U-Y-U. It is what they call a noodle flavoring sauce. It does have fish though, so if you are vegetarian, you wanted to not use suyu, maybe use soy sauce as the substitute. Put a spoonful of this miso into your ramen bowl and put whatever broth or soup that you have. You can use vegetarian broth, you can use bone broth, or you can use some kind of clear broth. And then just use a whisk to mix them together. If you like spice, you can certainly put some of the chili oil or spicy paste in there.